guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a freelance makeup artist based in Melbourne, Australia, and today I'm going to be doing the Bratz challenge, which has gone viral over Instagram. I'm going to be replicating this Bratz doll's look, and as you can see she has blonde hair and brown eyes, the same as me, and I can see that she has a matte cut crease with brown shadow, so that's what I'm going to be replicating today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first of all, I'm going to start out by using an eyeshadow base, and as always I'm going to be using my Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rimmel London 2. By the way, I've already done my eyebrows. So funny because I looked up like Bratz dolls on Google with blonde hair and brown eyes, and one of the first ones that came up was that one, and it literally looks exactly like me when I've got a full face of makeup on. I always wanted to look like a Bratz doll, to be honest. So just buffing this out now. My skin has been so good lately. I don't know why. I haven't even been eating well. I have used a bunch of face masks though. Now that I've done my base, I'm going to just get rid of these creases. And I'm going to dip into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. And the shade I'm going to use is Volatile. So I'm just going to pat this colour down where I want my cut crease to start. I'm going to be making a cut crease with the eyeshadow, but just the rough shape. I'm just going to be dragging it out here. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a blending brush and I'm just going to blend it out on the edges. Okay, so I think I'm going to need a bit more of the same colour. I think I'm just going to do one eye first, and then I'll show you the completed look after I've done both. Just because it takes a lot of time to do this look. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to dip into a transition colour, and what I'll be using is Incense. So I'm just going to lightly dip into it and blend along the edges. Notice how I'm not bringing it up too high, I'm just blending it right where the brown shadow ends. I'm actually going to take another look at the photo just to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, cool. Now I'm just getting a larger blending brush and just blending it all out. Make sure the colours are like a gradient. Okay, now that side's done for now, and I'm going to do the other eye. I'm back and I have done the other side. So now we're going to get into the cut crease. So once again, what I'm using for the cut crease is my Plouise eyeshadow base. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start carving it out at the front of my eye. Just to let you know, I'm not going to talk much during this because it's very hard to concentrate. So yeah, just like that, mapping out your cut crease. I'm just gonna wing it out at the end of my eye. Now with this base, you gotta pat it down again, just to make sure it's not wet. Well, it has to be wet to be honest, but like you want it an even consistency when you actually put on the eyeshadow. Because I know some colours can get pretty patchy. I'm going to dip into the coloured base now and set the concealer that I've just put on my crease. Cut crease is all done, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyeliner because I'm pretty sure in the photo she has eyeliner on. So what I'm going to use is my Rimmel London Glam liquid eyeliner in black. To be honest, I did most of the eyeliner off camera just because I can't do it at all with a mirror in front of me like this and making sure I'm in view of the camera. So now I'm just going to pop on some lashes, and I have to mention this product because it's so amazing. It is the House of Lashes eyelash adhesive, and this is hands down the best eyelash glue I've ever used. Like, you can sleep with your lashes on and they'll be perfect the next day. So highly recommend. So lashes and everything is on, and now I'm going to start my base. First I'm going to put on some moisturiser. So important to moisturise your face before putting on any makeup. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Sometimes I get an oily T-zone, so this is great for that. For foundation, I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear foundation, and this is in the shade NC25. I'm not sure if it matches me right now because I don't have any fake tan on, but we'll see. Yeah, so this foundation is a pretty good match. I'm going to do it quite heavy because on the Bratz dolls, their skin is like flawless, so pretty caked. Now just buffing it out all over. So now I'm going in with concealer to highlight my face, and as usual I'm using my Rimmel London Wake Me Up Concealer. I've grabbed some concealer as well, and I've just gone underneath the liner and the eyeshadow just to make it a crisp line. Now that that's all blended out, I'm going to use my RCMA No Colour Powder, and I'm going to set my whole face with it. I wish they changed the packaging for that, honestly. Like, whenever I take it out, it just goes everywhere. And you can never use the right amount, it just falls straight out. So I'm just going to set my T-zone first. Now I'm grabbing my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer and I'm just going to contour my face. Contouring this big ass forehead. I'm just going to see if the Bratz doll has any blush on. I can't really tell, the whole face is pretty flat to be honest. Like I can't see any contour either. I'm just going to put some on anyway. So for blush I'm using my Sigma Core de Rosa Aura powder. And it doesn't look like they're wearing highlighter either, but I'm just going to put it on. Like, that is a crime to me. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guierrero Glow Kit. And I think I'm going to use the shade Kitty Cat. On the photo, I'm pretty sure she doesn't really have any. Alright, she does. She has a little bit of like black eyeshadow on the bottom of her lashes, so I'm just going to do that. Maybe I'll put a tiny bit of the brown, just very close to the lash line. Really, I still have the plastic on this. Yeah, so I think that's literally all the brown I'm going to put underneath my lashes. And then the rest is just going to be a black. I'm also going to line my waterline with black, so I'm just going to be using, this is Rimmel London. Yeah, it is. Well, it's a Rimmel London black eyeliner pencil. I can't really read the writing because it's all like rubbed off. Thank God that's over. My black, I'm just going to be using the black from my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to smudge it out with this very thin Zoeva brush. All I need to do is the lips, and it's just going to be a nude lip with a lip gloss. So for my lip liner, I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Hazel lip liner, and that really needs to be sharpened. Okay, I'm going to sharpen it. That's not working. Done. And now for lip gloss, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I use this so much, I love it. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want to see more of my future uploads. And thanks for watching.